unbox this huge thing. It just delivered to my house and I'm so excited because look, I think this picture told us like it's something trending right now, like on sports. So let's unbox it. I got it out. So now let's unbox it. I thought we were gonna like just unbox it and it's gonna come out, but looks like we gotta do it again.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Oh my god, it's actually really heavy. So let's take it out. Okay, now let's do it.
Four moments later.
I did it! And I did it by myself. So, should I tell you guys what's like every part? Even though you know, I'm still gonna say it. So this part, it's the paddle. And this part, it's the boat. And, oh yeah, this one, it's the seat. And that's it for today's video. But wait, I think like we should test it out So let's go to the water. Mom, this is kind of fun. Where's the sun though? Why am I hitting something? Okay, I think I'm bumping into it. Okay, thanks for watching my videos and wish you like it. So please share my videos out and put your like down. Wait, remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.